I've got to say that the feedback I got on these taillights was, I can't lie, like a million times better than I thought. I think one thing I want to do is tint them a little bit though, so you can't read the extra thick while the lights are off. Plus I don't really want to see the LEDs, but either way, man, I'm thinking this is just, it's so cool. And I'm psyched that you guys are psyched about it. Obviously there's some people that didn't like it, but that's always gonna happen. One big popular request and something that obviously needs to happen on this car is a rear bumper. I'm talking to my friend JDM Buyer, Trevor from JDM Buyer, about getting a BN Type 1 rear bumper for this, but I really want the BN kit because I would say that's like more JDM and original than Vertex or Origin. Like that's like, you would see a Japanese Soarer have BN Type 1, Type 2 stuff, but you don't see any cars in America with BN stuff. Might be getting the BN Type 1 kit from the Soarer, and that's gonna be tight. Today I'm gonna be going to my friend Johnny's shop, and he is going to be fixing all the wiring issues on this car. The tachometer, like none of the gauges work because something happened whenever I ripped out the interior. The blinkers don't work. Taillights don't work properly. Reverse doesn't work. There's a lot of stuff that doesn't work that needs to work. Before I go, I'm gonna drive this car to the shop. I made a boo-boo. Obviously, as you can tell, this got knocked out of alignment real hard, and it was my fault because I forgot to torque these down when I installed these uppers. So it's fine, I just need to reset them. Pretty sure this was actually all the way back to give me maximum negative cam-B, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Whew. Now those suckers are torqued, and they ain't moving. I got a little Cindy, went to Mexico a few times, but you know, you guys know what Mexico can do to your cars, so we're good. Hey, there we go, boys. Much, much better. I've been outside for 10 minutes, maybe 20. That's disgusting, and I'm sweating. Texas, come on, boys. You gotta be nicer to me. I am gonna have to drive this thing for 30 minutes today with zero AC. Oh, hoping to God I can get some sort of cross breeze. Oh, also, Evo, thank you for spilling oil on my car. That's gonna be real nice for my dip. Yes! Oh my gosh, thank you, Evo. So nice of you to destroy my car with oil. Definitely gonna skip out on the Monster and go for one of these, because I'm sure I'm gonna need it for this trip. And you already know what's up. Gotta get that new 5.3 hat. Oh my God, that's so sick. Wish me and everybody around me good luck. This car is hot and stinky. But hey, at least we got that extra thick update. It's been about 5 minutes. It's extremely hot. I'm smoking out everybody at every intersection. And now I'm down to 1 out of 3 mirrors because this one over here stopped working. Oh, ow, oh. Yeah, thanks mirror. So sorry, people. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Perfect. You know, the exact thing I wanted today on this 30-minute drive on this 95-degree day was a big-ass line of traffic. This is awesome. So hot and we're at a standstill. I have to keep my door open to get some sort of breeze. Oh my God, guys. This is the worst thing. This is the one way to get to this shop too. And this is, whoo! Anxiety attacks for days. attacks I've ever had in my life. We're finally moving. Wow, that was awful. Welcome to Texas. This state is 78% construction. And then 22% heat. Oh yeah, baby. That's good. Oh yes. That is exactly what you want for your body kit. And for new paint. Oh yeah.
A few moments later.
Wow. I don't think we could have picked a worse time to drive this car. We'll be there soon. No more updates. I'm sweaty and stinky, and I think my anxiety is done for the year. Holy crap. Oh my god, my camera's still overheating. I had to stop filming because it's so hot in this car. You good? Am I good? Yeah. It's so hot in this car that my camera, like not even being in the sun, was overheating. The problem too is there's nothing separating the heat of my engine to this. So I want to get it matted. I want to redo some carpet in it. God, and hopefully, I can't talk right now, oh my god. Everybody say hello to Johnny. Good to see you again, buddy. He is gonna be patching up this car and I guess making the electronics that don't work anymore. He's gonna do his best to make it work again. I'm gonna get in some AC because let me tell you what, that was brutal. Let you do the honors. The seat scoots back. I know you're a little taller than I am. Oh my god, these are so good, bro. Hey, don't stall it, dude. Oh man, look at those lights, dude. This car is a nuisance. So Johnny's helped out a lot. He helped me with the Porsche and he helped me a little bit with the Lexus before as well. Nobody even owns this yet. I'm pretty sure I don't even have one in my closet yet. Yeah, I would say he's gonna be the first to have this shirt, literally. So Johnny, a nice present from us. Thank you, Johnny. I got you something real special, Johnny. I'm pretty sure I don't even own one of these. You're the first person in the world to have this shirt, but I just wanted to say thank you, especially for all the help you've done for us. But
thanks so much, man.
Yeah, absolutely. You're literally, I haven't even put it on yet. You're the first one to own it.
Is that what you're saying?
If you want to put it on, you can model it for me. But you didn't have to double it up, dude. I know how hot it is today. Man, you look good in that. Oh, you're gonna be the picture on the website though. Oh man, that's awesome. Okay, I want to get these lit up for you. Johnny has a tool to where he can actually show you guys. I haven't been able to show you guys what the extra and the thick look like whenever they're lit up. So what we're gonna do today is he's got a tool that can do that. He's gonna take him a couple days to get this wiring fixed up, so we're literally just dropping it off today, but I want you guys, I want to see what it looks like in reverse and what the blinkers look like and that sort of thing. Dude, that is so dope. Babe, look at this.
That's a blinker?
How sick is that? Yeah, that's my blinker. That is so tight. And hazards do the exact same thing. No way.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's amazing, dude. Oh yeah, something's disconnected. Well, at least it says thick. That's pretty tight. God, that's so cool. It looks like the Car Shop Glow RX-7s. That's so sick. Oh my gosh, dude. Unreal. Babe, this like floor and everything, this is garage golds for someday. Like this, look how much cooler the car looks.
Oh, I
just
know.
like just sitting on a nice white clean floor instead of a gross concrete floor. It actually makes me feel like whenever I get into a place this clean, it makes me feel guilty for having a dirty engine bay. Now I feel like I need to go home. Like, it looks fine in my house. I feel like my Evo is gonna be a nice look for here. I'm gonna come here to get some audio done, and they're gonna do some tint on my windows. Johnny's a good friend of mine, so make sure you hit them up if you need anything in the Dallas area. And also, on these lights right here, I accidentally was installing them. I accidentally made a teeny tiny wire come out, and the extra won't light up now. That was my fault. I don't know how it happened, but it just happened. So, you'll see the extra thick next time we're here. And next time I come pick it up, it's gonna be at midnight when it's 80 degrees instead of whatever how hot it is. Bye, Alexis. We'll see you in a little bit. Also say thanks, Johnny, for the monster, because I left mine here the other day. See you later, Johnny. And Jay, hey, you enjoy that shirt, all right? Look, I have air conditioning and look, seat colders.
Seat colders?
Yeah, you call them seat warmers. These are seat colders. I'm not gonna lie, oh gosh.
That was a bad time.
I don't usually, like, my anxiety isn't, well, I don't know, maybe it is triggered by that, but like,
Your anxiety is triggered by heat.
that was one of the worst things I've ever done. I'm never doing that again in my Lexus. I'm gonna watch the temperature, I'm gonna check the traffic, I'm gonna get a nice evaluation of everything in front of us, and then we're gonna go. That was way worse than I can explain on camera. So I just got word from Johnny, and it's been 30 minutes, and he has already fixed my broken wire. I'm gonna show you guys on the screen. That is so sick. I want to show you guys with like actual good camera though. Fully functioning, so be ready. Look at this, Porsche. You get your own garage to go into. Well guys, I've gotta be real honest with you right now. This is a very odd sight.
I gotta be honest, the car that should be in the garage is finally in the garage.
Hey, don't say that. You know why.
But speaking of the best car, we just got in the mail the first mod for the Porsche.
We
You have
technically
to-
straight piped it, so it's not the first mod.
The first real mod that I approve of.
That you approve of. Hello, no, let's go back. The Evo, I got an update on the Evo. The Evo will be done tomorrow, and I think Monday should be the tuning date. So I'm so psyched about that. I'm excited Kevin's working on the car. I know he's doing such a good job on it. I'm so ready to get this car tuned and see how much power. I'm ready to flex on them boys with that big turbo. Actually the medium-sized turbo. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. This was the first day in a long time where I just vlogged. And I love days like this. I kind of missed days like, oh my gosh, hi. I thought that was you sniffing me. It's the first day in a long time where I just like vlogged. I don't miss doing it every day, but like I love days like this where I'm like, okay, I did this, and this today. How in the world am I going to give a synopsis of my day in a small title, you know, in 5 to 10 words or 5 to 7 words? I love doing that, I miss doing that, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm ready to get the SC back. It looks like from the updates I've gotten, he's already got the tack working, he's already got the taillights working. I need a different module for the blinkers, but other than that, we're pretty damn close. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully for a tune day. If not, whatever. Peace out and be victorious.